Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make the granny square moss stitch using single crochet. As you can see, this is the pattern, very pretty and also very easy to achieve. Just follow the video on how I make it and all the instructions I'm going to tell you. Also, do make sure to check the written pattern link in the description box where you'll have all the information required to achieve this pattern. So we'll get started right away. I'm using 5.5 millimeter hook and medium worsted yarn, number 4 usually. We'll start with the green, clear. So I'll start with a slip knot and chain 2. 1. What I'm gonna do is 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, and add 1 more chain, so chain 2. The chain 2 is the corner for the granny square. Again, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 2. Total of 4 times all till I get the square shape. Again, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and the last one, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and join to the first chain. We'll tighten here, and this is the first square. So far I hope it's clear. So we have the 4 corners here which will be worked differently. So the second row and every row onwards is going to be the same. Chain 1, 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space. You remember we did 1 single crochet and chain 1. So 1 single crochet, chain 1. Now in the corner, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. All the corners will be the same, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and chain 1 now, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, again in the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space, again chain 1, in the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all in the corner, chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1, and we repeat the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, and join to the beginning stitch. And this is how the square is getting bigger. So with every single crochet in the stitch, it's 1 chain before, 1 chain after. In the corners where you'll work the single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Again to the next row, chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1, in the corner again, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, in the space, single crochet and chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1. In the corner we repeat single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1. In the space, single crochet and chain 1. We repeat till the end of the round, and it's gonna be the same for each and every round till you obtain the width required of your project. Again, check the written pattern to follow along with the video so you know exactly what you do. Okay. Chain 1, single crochet in the space and join. Single crochet and chain 1 and join. And this is how it looks. Now we'll change the color. We'll see how we're going to change and how the work will expand. So I will put the old color on the side like this, and then this loose thread together with it, and then I will join and I will chain 1. Make sure it's kept tight and then it's hidden under your work. So in the space, single crochet again, chain 1. In the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1, single crochet in the space, and you continue the same. I will just finish this row to show you how it all looks like. And then you can cut the thread later on. And here I'm at the end where I'll join with a slip stitch again after chaining 1. And this is how it looks, the moss stitch granny square. Very easy and straightforward. It's a must try pattern. It's very pretty, especially if you mix the colors, and will be good for a blanket, a pillow cover, anything you like. It's really nice, simple and pretty. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy and clear to follow. If you have any questions, as always, leave it in the comment section, and otherwise I'll see you next time. Bye bye.